Ever wondered how to grow your own citrus trees at home? Imagine the joy of picking fresh lemons, oranges, or grapefruits right from your backyard. It's not just beneficial for your health, but also a fun and rewarding hobby. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process of growing your own citrus trees. First things first, you need to choose the right type of citrus tree. From lemons to oranges, mandarins to grapefruits, each variety has unique needs. Consider your climate, space, and taste buds when making your selection. Once you've selected your citrus tree, it's time to get planting. Now that you have your citrus tree, it's time to get it in the ground. Start by choosing a sunny location, as citrus trees thrive in lots of sunlight. Next, prepare the soil. It needs to be well-draining and rich in nutrients. Now, dig a hole that's twice the width of your tree's root ball and as deep. Place your tree in the hole and backfill with soil. Water it immediately after planting. And there you have it. Your citrus tree is now planted and ready to grow. But planting your citrus tree is just the beginning. Nurturing it involves regular watering, for citrus trees love moisture. Fertilizing is key too, with a balanced citrus-specific fertilizer applied in spring and summer. Don't forget pruning to maintain shape and promote better fruit yield. Stay vigilant for common pests like aphids and diseases such as citrus canker. Treat these promptly with organic or chemical solutions. With the right care, your citrus tree will thrive and produce delicious fruit in no time. So, are you ready to start growing your own citrus trees? From choosing the right variety to planting and nurturing your trees, we've covered the key steps to help you get started. Imagine the joy of picking your own fresh, juicy citrus right from your garden. It's a rewarding journey that contributes to a healthier lifestyle and a greener planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!